Love that, bro. Love that.
Blinking red?
Yep.
Alright. You guys are all going to be on video. It's blinking.
We are in New Zealand. Remember, team, we get down, we tuck our chins. From there, we see what happens at the bottom.
Holy shit.
That's what I do every time.
God, this is amazing.
Watch these guys. We just put together. Team, do you want to yell out something in Māori today? A little bit of Maori language. Yep, cool.
Sure.
Can you all say the word tua?
Tua.
Tua means power in Maori, okay guys? I'm going to yell out 3 different words. After each word I want a strong tua from you guys. I'll tell you what it means straight after. So place your paddles together. Wahine!
Tua!
Waka!
Tua!
Tama!
Tua!
Good guys. So wahine is for our lovely ladies, woman power. Waka for our boat power. Tama for us men, a little bit of manpower. Everybody, feet ready please. Don't forget to tuck your chin. Put your paddles together!
Holy shit! Whoa! Wow!
How was that, guys?
Wow!
Pretty awesome?
Wow!
Look back at what you just came up with. You now run
Wow!
and styled the shit out of the world's highest commercial rafting.
Wow!
Hey, well, great work, guys. Mate, that looks so smooth.
Whoa!
What we're going to do now, team, we're going to whip up here and get a little fun. Yeah, we made it for it. Let's go forward. Get down and push it up. Forward. 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 Look at that awesome waterfall. Hey guys, look up to your right. Right up the top there, smile